Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Well, let's get to the tutorial. To avoid losing contacts on your device, and then you can save them in your Google account. First of all, please open the dial application on your device, and then here you can type the phone number you want to save in your Google account. Okay, after that here you can click add icon at the top, and then if there is a following request, you can select the Google account you want to use. Okay, and then fill in the blank with the person's info. And then you can click save here when finished. Okay, and then the contact was successfully saved in your Google account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.